Hi everyone, my name is Erica Parker, and today my speech will be on what brings me joy. Webster states the definition of joy is the feeling of great pleasure and happiness. This feeling is conceived in the most naturalist way, through our hearts, but it's not always sincerely given. For me, joy starts from within, so that it cannot be destroyed by someone with hate nor grief. I practice things to help me maintain my joy. For example, having a positive mindset and being optimistic. Learning to forgive brings me peace and it provides tranquility in my life. Whenever you harbor hate in your heart, it causes you grief. This grief destroys your joy and it gives you an emotion of depression, of sadness, of weakness. Learning to forgive others gives you inner peace. You forgive not for others, but for yourself. Once you learn to forgive yourself and to move forward in life, the smaller things, the littlest things, brings you joy. One person in my life who brings me much joy is my son. Instilling the proper morals into my seed gives me satisfaction that I'm helping the world to become a better place. Knowing that I'm instilling morals and helping to raise a man, a young man, a king, knowing that the things that I'm instilling him into now, that he will be implemented into the world, gives me joy, gives me satisfaction that I'm doing something right, that I'm leaving a remarkable impact into the world. That's something so special about having a son, by the way. Ultimately, the biggest thing that brings me joy is reaping the fruits of my labor. After a long, productive day, thinking about the goals that I'm getting closer to reaching brings me joy. Whenever I sit and I meditate on life, thinking about the goals that I want to reach and thinking about the things that I'm doing now to work for them gives me inner peace. It makes me believe in myself, allows me to believe in myself, which brings me joy. From which I stated earlier, joy should start from within so that it cannot be taken away by anybody else. I also receive joy from reaping the fruits of my labor, which means I get joy from material things. I love to shop, I love to decorate, and I love to do things that allows me to express myself. All of those things bring me joy. Thank you.